Welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and in today's video I will be guiding you how to send zip file on Gmail. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Before you open up Gmail on your desktop, make sure that you have your zip file ready. If not, open up the file that you would like to send on your desktop, then select the file, then right click on that file. From this dialog box, click on compress to zip file. Then you can rename that file as well. Now once you have your zip file ready, open up the Gmail on your desktop and then make sure that you have logged into your account. If not, simply log into your account by providing your correct login credentials. And once you land on your inbox page, now in order to send the zip file, at the left hand side of this interface, you will get compose button. Click on there. And again on the right hand side, first of all, you have to enter the email address of that account whom would you like to send zip file to. Under that, enter the subject. You have to attach the file. In order to attach the zip file, at the bottom of this box, you will get the attach file icon. Click on there. Now select the file that you have recently zipped. Then click on open. File is loaded here. Simply click on this send button and your message is sent. So that's how you can send zip file on Gmail. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.